So in this exercise then, what we're going to do is going to go into the press up and mountain climber. So we're going to go into a full press up position, keeping the stomach nice and tight, okay, keeping the back nice and straight. And then from there, we're going to lead with the chest all the way down to the ground and come back up again. So once we've done that, we're then going to move into the mountain climber, which is going to bring one knee up to the elbow. So to do that, we're going to get into the press up position then, keeping the stomach nice and tight. And then from there, we're just going to go down, leading with the chest, and then coming all the way back up to the top like so. So make sure we're keeping that stomach nice and tight all the way through, so we're not dipping the back here, or the backside's not up in the air, staying in that position, straight down, straight up. Once I've hit the first one, we're then going to use the stomach to keep nice and tight, and then just pull the knee to touch the arm, like so, change over, like so, and then back down again, down, up. In order, if you're struggling to get the knee to there, it means that you need to pull the weight forward as well. So you've got to put more pressure onto the shoulders, okay, and onto the stomach as well to get that knee to come to the arm. So all you'll do is if you're pushing back too far, you won't be able to get the knee to there. So you've got to bring the weight shift forward, push there to touch, stay in there to touch, and then you're back into your press up again, down and then up. If you find the press up to struggle, go to your knees, same position, stomach nice and tight, lead with the chest, pushing back up, go back onto your toes, knee in, into there, back down, go again, down, up. And that's your press up and mountain climbing then done.